we're going to study about Kirchoff's voltage law. Now, what is Kirchoff's voltage law? So it says in any closed electrical circuit, the algebraic sum of all the electromotive force EMF and voltage drop in resistor is equal to zero, which clearly means that the EMF, if we're going to say EMF plus V is equal to zero. So now how we're going to chat about it? Like if this is a circuit for us, like it in an E1, which is the first source, it is the second source, and the current is gonna through negative to positive terminal. Negative to positive terminal, it will always be positive. And then its resistor, so it will gonna resist the current, it will be negative, and positive to negative means it is gonna from the highest terminal to negative, so it will also gonna be negative, and then once more R2 is there, so it's once more gonna to be negative. So this is the diagram A, B, C, D, as is a whole figure, and I told you how you're gonna do the things. Like if the thing is gonna from the lower terminal to the higher terminal potential, so it is gonna be like positive, then it's gonna negative, it's gonna negative, it's gonna negative. Why? Because it's gonna from the highest to the negative terminal. It's gonna from lower to the positive terminal, so it will gonna be positive actually. So as I told the things, so we can write it as the E1 is gonna be positive because this is E1, it is positive, but this is gonna negative because I is constant there. So V is there, so V is gonna be like one. Okay. So once more, E2 is gonna be like negative. E2 is gonna be like negative, and once more, R is gonna negative. I is always constant, and V2 is there, which is equal to zero. So E1 minus E2 are here, and IV1 plus IV2 are gonna there. So it's gonna be like this. These both are equal. They both are equal. So that is actually resistance, not voltage actually, so I have just incorrected it. So it's resistance here, so it's resistance because they both are resistors, right? So it's resistor, so it's like equal. So we're gonna say like that the whole sum of E is equal to whole sum of IR. So this is known as the Kirchoff's law, okay, which is from second law, which is voltage law. So as I told you the things, so you understood it now. Thank you.